Today in this video, we are going to show you how to fix your Sony TV. If you have no picture but you still have sound, we are going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. Method 1. The first thing to try here is really the simplest. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient here, wait for the 60 seconds, then pull it back in. This will reset your TV. If it not clear the problem, then let's go on to the next try. Method 2. Many times the source of this problem is your HDMI connection. You want to make sure your HDMI cable is securely plugged into the back of the connector. If you have a Fire Stick or Roku and it has a direct connection or has a very short cable, again check that as well. If that solved your problem, it's fine. If not, I want you to move the HDMI connection to another port. Most TVs have at least 2 or sometimes 3 or 4 of these ports. Look around the back and the side of the set. If it not clear the problem, then let's go on to the last try. This is the last thing. Usually will do the trick, but this is a factory reset. So we are gonna reset your TV. Go to home button on remote, go to settings, go to the storage and reset, factory data reset, erase everything. This fixes your problem. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.